First we need to go to settings, scroll down in the settings to find wallpaper and style, and now we can tap on the lock screen on the left side. Over here we can change the clock by tapping on it. In this case, when we have the first font, we can change to make it thinner or bolder. We can switch, of course, to a different font. We can change the color, and we can change the style itself. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Make it bigger or smaller by dragging from the corners, and we can change the position of the clock as well. And there we go. Besides that, we can add widgets by tapping on this field. Here we can simply select which widget we want to add, and we have 4 slots in total. Some widgets take 2 slots. There we go. And if you want to remove a widget from the list, then of course we can tap on the widget. At the bottom of the lock screen we have shortcuts or buttons, which can also be customized. If you tap on the button, you can choose what should happen, what should be assigned to the specific button. And then we can press down in order to save the changes. If you want to change the wallpaper, then of course we can do that by choosing change wallpapers here, or you can go back to the wallpaper, and here in the top left corner we also have the option to choose a different one. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.